Today I'm going to share with you hands down one of the most popular things to make for Super Bowl Sunday, and these are game day wings. Now there are a bunch of ways that you can make wings. I'm going to show you today how to smoke them in the Traeger pellet grill, but you could also make some wings in the oven or air fry them or even sous vide them. I have all recipes for that at Sip Bite Go. So the first step is to season up your wings. And I just want to let you know at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to make homemade blue cheese dressing, which you absolutely need to make to up your wing game for Super Bowl. All right, so the first thing you do is season up those wings and then you get them onto the smoker. First, you smoke the wings at 180 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Then you flip them and smoke at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 50 more minutes, or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Then they are ready to come off the grill, and that is the time to get making your blue cheese dressing. Now, making blue cheese dressing from scratch only takes about 5 minutes, and the taste is so unbelievable. All you need to do is get some of those blue cheese crumbles that you see in the containers in the store, and you mix together everything else. So sour cream, Greek yogurt, buttermilk, lemon juice, some seasonings are in there, and then at the end you add in the blue cheese crumbles and some chopped cilantro or chives, whatever else you'd like. It is so good to have this fresh, and if you have any leftovers from your wings, you could always make wedge salads or serve it with something else, or like veggie dip, whatever. This is such a good dressing. All right, and so all you need to do now is assemble your wings. The wings, once they come off the smoker or out of the oven, you just toss them in some barbecue and honey sauce or some butter mixed with Frank's hot sauce, and those are your wings. We also like to leave a few that are just smoked, a little bit dry on the outside and crispy. Yum.